Welcome today. I have a video today about mindset mastery. Come on, let's get into it. We're going to talk about a lot of things, how to overcome certain mental blocks and jump over those hurdles because they're going to get in your way, but we're going to overcome them. Let's get started. Okay, before we dive into this, let's talk about what a mental block is. A mental block is something that gets in your way, and really it's your mind getting in your way that prevent you from being or reaching your full potential. And we're going to talk about things that are going to help us overcome these when they arise in any situation in our lives. The thing we must do is have a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that no matter where you are right now in life, that you can always grow. You're not fixed in a situation where you were born this way and you can't grow with it. So what we're going to have to do is develop a mindset that is about growth, that we know we can grow no matter where we are at the present time. We'll allow ourselves to flourish and grow. Here are 3 key strategies that'll help you with a growth mindset. Number 1, embrace change instead of running away from challenges. When a challenge comes in your life, you can always overcome it if you believe. That's a growth mindset of knowing that you can jump that hurdle when it arises. It might be a struggle, but it's just going to make you better in the long run. Emphasize effort. Number 2, emphasize effort. Allow yourself to enjoy the journey, but also appreciate and make sure you're pressing forward, putting the effort in to the journey. Allow yourself to enjoy the progress that you make. Celebrate your progression, which will help you enjoy the progress and enjoy the journey. Number 3, learn from setbacks. Don't think that just because it's a setback that it's an opportunity to give up. Learn from your setbacks and allow yourself to figure out a way to get over that hurdle. Treat it as a learning experience and not failure. Remember, your setbacks are temporary, but your resilience is always permanent. Now that we established the growth mindset part of this, let's understand the basic facts of setting realistic goals and how significant that is to your journey. Be specific. Set clear and measurable goals that are aligned with your fitness aspirations. For example, if you want to lose 30 pounds in 90 days, that's something you can measure. If you say that, hey, I want to look a certain way, that's not really something you can really measure. You want to measure something that you can quantify. An example of an unrealistic goal is just saying, I want to be fit. I want to be fit is so unclear. That could mean anything. Set a goal like, I want to complete a 5K in 6 months. That's a realistic goal. I want to run a 5K in 30 minutes. That's a realistic goal. You want to take the full goal and break it down into small pieces, in milestones, so you can celebrate along the way, along the journey, instead of letting it all be about pain. Enjoy the journey. That's what it's about, enjoying the journey. You may take the big goal, break it down into monthly goals. From the monthly goal, break it down to weekly goals. From the weekly goals, break it down to days. Number 3, be flexible. It's always going to be sometimes where you have to make changes along your journey. Be free to be open-minded and free to make those changes when it's time to and when it's necessary to, for you to continue to grow. Harnessing self-talk. The way you talk to yourself or speak to yourself in your mind can have can either make you or break you, can have a positive effect or a negative effect. Whatever affirmations you tell yourself, it will make it a reality. So be mindful of what you're saying to yourself. Number 1, replace negative thought with positive affirmations. An affirmation is, positive affirmation would be that you're telling yourself that you are a success every day. You are a success in your mind. No matter what happens that day, you're still telling yourself you are a success. Number 2, use visualization. Visualization is like you seeing yourself cross the goal line, seeing it every day. seeing that physique that you're yearning for, that you want. That is having the visualization. If you can see it, you can achieve it. Always remember that. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals. If you're around the wrong crowd that is not supportive of what you're doing, then your success could be derailed. So surround yourself with people that are doing what you're doing and have the mindset that you have, that will be inspiring to you, and you'll be an inspiration for them. A 50-50 deal coming together like that. Boom. You're giving something to them and they're giving something back to you. Reciprocity. I hope this video was helpful for you in helping you overcome the mental blocks that that's gonna come your way. That's inevitable. But you have the power to control it all. Remember that. Mind over matter, baby. Peace.